If you, like me, want to be able to make the very best use out of all the clothes you already own, then you need to be able to shop your closet to create outfits that inspire you, outfits that you feel creative with, and outfits that represent who you know yourself to authentically be in the world. So that your reflection, when you look at yourself in the mirror, matches who you know yourself to be on the inside. So when you hear the term shop your closet, that really is so much more important than you would ever think it is. Today's video is all about how to organize your closet so that you can actually shop your closet to create these inspired outfits that you really want to see yourself in. Let's get to it. Hi y'all, if you've never been here before, then welcome to my closet. My name is Lori and I'm so glad to see you. If you have been here before, then welcome back to my closet. It's great to see you again. This video is not about cleaning out your closet and decluttering your closet. I have a video here that is all about that I will link for you. If you haven't cleaned out your closet, decluttered it, then you need to do that first. You've got to be able to declutter your space before you can even start to think about shopping from your closet. This video is also not about all the little gadgets, the little organizing things you can integrate into your closet to help you keep more organized and actually help you fit more things in your closet, whether it's a big closet or a small closet. All the little things that make it work better for you. This video isn't about that either. This video is about organizing your closet so that you can actually shop from it. When you go into any well-organized, well-thought-out, well-laid-out department store, you're going to notice a couple of things. They are generally laid out one of two ways, and the first one is in collections. And by collections, what I mean is that you'll find like an area with one singular designer, let's just say Marc Jacobs, one singular designer, and within that designer's little section of the department store, they're often laid out in these outfit groupings. And by outfit groupings, what I mean is the tops and bottoms that coordinate together to make outfits. And that is to encourage you to buy a complete outfit rather than a single piece. Occasionally, I actually do buy a complete outfit, but more often than not, I would say 95% of the time, I'm only buying a single piece. Unless I purposely go to buy a coordinated set, such as this one, I almost always buy singular pieces. And that's just because singular pieces integrate into my wardrobe much more easily. I have a video coming out soon about why you should buy singular pieces and not outfits to make the best use of all the clothing that you own. If you don't want to miss it, please do consider subscribing to the channel down below if that's something you're interested in. I'm going to demonstrate why this outfit grouping thing may not work very well for you, because I have a small area of my closet that I've actually grouped in outfits, and explain to you why it's not the best way to organize your closet, even though it's an incredibly effective way for department stores to organize their space. Now you'll see here in this section of my closet, I do have matching sets hung together. For instance, this shirt matches this skirt, this top with these pants, yada, 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 yada. You get the gist, right? However, when you step into your closet, if you're not looking to pull a matched set, you're really limiting yourself by seeing your pieces in a matched set. Simply because if I wanted to wear a tan top, the first thing I'm going to think to wear it with are these tan bottoms that match it and go with it. And that can be quite limiting because this tan top, as you can see, would go with lots of different bottoms in my closet. So by hanging them together, I might limit the creativity, limit the number of outfits I would create with any single one of these matched pieces. I am not looking for my closet to limit me. This brings us to, in my opinion, the very best way to organize your closet, and that is to group like items with like items. Let me show you what I mean. I have all my sleeveless camisole tops here, and I have my shorts here. I've got sweaters on these shelves here, and above it, I do have all my handbags. Below it, I have underclothes, I have loungewear, I have yoga wear. I do a lot of yoga. In this section, I have my regular sleeve tops, both long sleeve and short sleeve, not the sleeveless options that I have over here. Below it, I have my matched sets. Next to that, I have my section of hoodies because I love a good hoodie. And then the last section of my closet, I have jackets or third pieces. And below that, I have skirts, pants, and dresses. Finally, I have behind this glass door, shoes. All kinds of different shoes. The reason this method, grouping like item with like item, works so effectively if you want to shop your closet is because you can simply walk into your closet and begin pulling the pieces that you need to build a great outfit. Just as if you were walking through a department store. I, unlike just about everybody else on the planet, start an outfit with my shoes. That's right, I always start building an outfit around my shoes because my shoes set the beat or the tone of my outfit. I'm going to shop my closet and build an outfit that I can go out to dinner with my husband in tonight. Kind of a low-key date night outfit. And like I said, we're gonna start with shoes. I've given up all the really high heels in my closet because I had a serious ankle injury about 1.5 years ago and I just can't wear the high heels I used to be able to wear. So now most of my heels are lower. So I'm just gonna start with this lower heeled pair of shoes. They're cute, they're comfortable, perfect for a low-key date night. Next, I'm gonna pull the bottoms I wanna wear. And I think tonight, because it is going to be a little cooler this evening, I think tonight I'm gonna wear some long pants. So I'm just gonna choose a pair of black pants to wear. And these wide-legged black pants that I got on Amazon are gonna be perfect. Now, I need a top. And while I love a layered look created with a camisole, I think I wanna go with a sweater. So let me grab this sweater real quick. And I think I'm just gonna go with a black sweater because I am loving a monochrome look right now. Black on black is just a simple, classy, elevated, basic, elegant outfit. But a black sweater and a pair of black pants can feel really boring, and that's why it's important to have a great wardrobe of accessories that you can choose from to really jazz up the look. And I love accessory trays. They just make it so simple to keep all of your accessories organized. When it is time to choose your accessories to complete your outfit, you can see everything you've got, and it's very easy to choose from all your different options. What do I want? I'm feeling pretty simple for today, so I think I'm just gonna choose a plain, classic, solitaire diamond. In my opinion, there's nothing boring about diamonds, whether they're real or cubic zirconia, I don't care. They're sparkly and pretty, I love them all. So diamond necklace is what I'm gonna do. All right, I'm all changed, and here's the outfit that we shopped for today. You can see here, it's just a classic, simple, elegant, elevated, basic outfit. I did have to put some double-sided tape on my belt here because my belt's a little bit long. That keeps the tail of the belt from flying around. I do just love these black wide leg pants. I got them from Amazon and they're in a size medium. I actually have them in 3 colors. I got them in white, got them in black, and I got them in a tan color because they're so comfortable. They're such good quality, and I just really enjoy wearing them. But I need a handbag, and I'm gonna go with this one. I'm gonna go with this Brahmin bag because it does have some gold finishing, and that matches the gold in my belt buckle and kind of gives a more elevated look to my outfit. And that's it. I'm ready to go. You can see how easy it was to put together this outfit and how easy it is to put together any outfit when you organize your closet in a way that groups like items with like items. Because you know you're gonna wear a top, you know you're gonna wear bottoms, you know you're gonna wear shoes, you know you're gonna wear a handbag. If you have all your handbags together, all your shoes together, all your tops together, and all your bottoms together, it makes choosing the individual pieces that are gonna come together to create the whole so much easier. So much more like a shopping experience because you're just looking through your sweaters or, you know, shopping through your tops, deciding which one you wanna wear to create the outfit that represents how you feel about yourself and who you want to represent yourself to the world today. Shopping our closets is critical to making better uses of the clothes we already have to create better outfits without needing to spend any additional money. So if you don't have your closet organized, if you have everything just kind of thrown in there and that isn't working for you, consider grouping like with like. You can do it in any size space. You don't have to have separate sections for any of your items. You can have one hanging bar with sleeveless tops, sleeve tops, pants, right there. Like, it just keep your like items with like items, and that creates the environment that is very easy to shop your closet like a pro. Thanks so much for hanging out with me for a few minutes today. If you've enjoyed our time together as much as I have, I do hope you will consider subscribing to the channel if you want to. If you don't want to, don't worry about it. It's not that big of a deal anyway. You have an open invitation to come back and hang out anytime you want, whether you're subscribed or not. If you have a few more minutes today, I'd love to see you in this video here, but if not, that's cool. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.